That's my hot water ready for the soup. Yeah, baby. Yeah, all that hot water is going to end up on top of this. Then you have your full pot of soup. This is going to be nice. Spicy, tasty, fresh. Fresh tomatoes, fresh onion, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, made from scratch. Just water and meat and all these spices. You can add some potato in there. Just make it nice and chunky. Let's go, baby. Bon appetit.